So what is up guys? Hello, it's me, it's M. And this isn't a vlog. It's sabihin na nating introduction to pre-vlog. Siguro pre-vlog yung tawag natin, pre-vlog. And ayun, right now I'm still in Baler, nasa Caltex. Nantay sa nanay ko. So I've been thinking for the past few months of starting a vlog. Kaso isip-isip ko lang kung kakayanin ba ng confidence ko mag-vlog. Kasi in the first place, yung pagsa-selfie, pagta-take ng pictures, pagpa-post in public, pag may nagpi-picture, parang struggle lang siya sa akin. Like hindi ko makayanan yung gawin. Wala akong confidence na gawin yon. Yung kagaya ng mga kaibigan ko na talaga naman nasa UP, Diliman, magpo-post sila, tapos uy, picture mo. Wala pa ako sa ganung confidence level eh. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit eh. Pero yeah, I'm thinking of starting a vlog. And although hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung magiging theme ng vlogs na yun, I want it to be in a way related to my life, the things that I experience, my travels. Wow, travel vlogger. My travels, mga future travels. Pero yun, all things music, all things food, and well, life, faith, God, and everything under the sun. So let's see kung kailan lalabas yung first vlog. Well, technically first vlog na to eh. Mako-consider ko ng first vlog to eh. Wala lang siyang mga malulupit na effects, walang malulupit na transition na biglang gaganon, o kaya oy, okay, nandito na tayo. Walang ganun eh. Tapos low budget pa, wala pa akong boses. So pasensya na po ha. Siguro yeah, this is gonna be vlog number 1. And for today, ang agenda ko lang naman is driver, kasi pupunta kami sa isang German restaurant. Like, hala-lunch kami. So yeah, mamaya tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. Ay! Order na kami ng pagkain, dude. Yeah. And this is a German-owned restaurant, famous for their beers. Pero syempre di tayo inom. And lahat kami may sakit. Kain na tayo.
A few moments later.
Parang dinaanan ng bagyo. Bus. And ayun, wala na tayo sa bahay. Nandito na tayo sa Sabang Beach. So after having lunch as a family, syempre umuwi din kami as a family. And ayun, pahinga. It was fun kasi German themed restaurant, well, German owned restaurant. Tapos yung mga pagkain, may German-ish taste nila. And for those of you who don't know, this is Siguro one thing that I usually do. Maingay. This is one thing I usually do when I'm thinking about stuff. O kaya medyo stress ako sa buhay. Punta ako dito sa dagat. Tapos, ayun, ikot-ikot lang. Nood-nood lang ng mga waves. Ka-crash. Pero yun, I'll just give you a glimpse of the things here in Baler na sobrang na-enjoy ko.